I have been married before, and I have 3 children, but I love men.
A mantra is a soothing sonic reverberation through the throat, but it has no meaning, no significance. It's just the empty, gibritical sound of soul serenity, vibrations devoid of implicatorial importance. There's no issues. Don't look for meaning because there is none, okay? Meditation just calms me down.
I swear to God, Elo. Health class is such a fat load of tripe. Come on, let's get to the bench. Mama's jonesing. You taped it to the inner wall with stickers.
There's a zombie on your lawn. We don't want zombies on our lawn. Maybe it's time to reevaluate. I know you have a lot of food on your plate. Brains are quite rich in cholesterol.
Lynn, quick, your cardigan!
But it's cold and flu season.
Give it! Behold the soothing power of this enchanted sweater vest. Behold it! Seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV. But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Lucky there's a Family Guy.
2, 3, 4. Frantic, evil, terrible, horrible. Frantic, evil, terrible, horrible. Frantic, evil, terrible, horrible. Frantic, evil, terrible, horrible. Fire up.
Alrighty then. Yeah. Alright. Affirmative. Affirmative, sir. Affirmative. Yeah, let's roll. On my way. Ready. Alrighty then.